Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a futuristic icon set with custom shapes. Create a new canvas with dark background. Select custom shape tool and choose text style icons. Use white fill and consistent size for each shape. Align them using the grid for neat layout and add outer glow to each icon for neon feel. Now duplicate the group and change glow color. Now apply subtle blur for light diffusion. It gives a futuristic digital vibe instantly. And also export them as transparent PNG icons. Perfect for UI or app design packs. Thanks for watching.